Spent my full being in a housing scheme in this blue and green city, 1,000 teams. Seeing cunts getting done, it's the highest booze. The only thing it won't be until they die is news. True, I hate life, cause every night it's the same shite. Listening to my neighbour and his wife have the same fight, cause she isn't playing right and he isn't home quite as much as she'd like. In the daylight, see him or his mother serve a merciless sentence. A full demented generation with any sexual preference. Witness poverty and emptiness in difficult regions. They never even get a mention at political meetings. See the young guns running the streets, making mountains out of speed bumps. Victims can't turn to the police. I beat the trappings of this way of life and stay for the mora. Climbing up out of the gutter with unwavering honour. That's a mad accent, a mad accident. How these mad cunts have ended up on tracks again, spitting facts again, living in the house of wax again. Cunts sounded yanked till we axed the trend.
Consider this a warning, consider this a lesson. Another day is dawning, and JKC's progressing. I transform the art form down to an art. Now every beat I blaze, I fucking rip it apart. Always spit from the heart. Stay focused, don't take notice of the hangers on who can't find form and plague the scene like locusts. You see, I see the scene and it's worth of a meaning. We'll be seen as the scene is the scene to be seen in. Think you're heaven sent, well beware of the demon. Take the scalp of JKC, I'm afraid that you're dreaming. I come from a place where the stubborn die. Head bottom to the beat, screaming up and rye. My mind's no right, do you wonder why? City of Glasgow, spitting life as it passes by. You want peace of mind? Here's a piece of mind. Hate the sign, leave rappers on the streets with tin cup, screaming feed the blind.